Let me tell you something powerful today, something simple, something delicious, and something most men overlook even though it sits right there in the kitchen cabinet. Imagine waking up one morning, making your usual cup of coffee, and suddenly realizing that this one tiny addition you stir into the mug has the potential to change how energized, confident, and alive you feel for the rest of the day. Because the truth is this, age does not decide your strength, your drive, or your masculinity. Your habits do, your choices do, and sometimes one choice is all it takes to reignite what you thought was fading. Now picture yourself at 60, 70, or even 80. You take a sip of your coffee and feel something familiar, circulation improving, energy rising, that spark coming back into your body. That spark is not magic. It's physiology. It's the incredible way natural compounds in certain ingredients interact with your blood vessels, your hormones, your metabolism, and your nervous system. When you add things like cacao, cinnamon, ginger, or maca powder to your coffee, you're not adding flavor. You're adding nitric oxide support, anti-inflammatory power, adrenal stability, and circulatory strength. And when your blood flows better, your confidence flows better too. You see, most men spend their lives believing that declining performance is just a normal part of aging, something you accept and never question. But that narrative is wrong. Your body is designed to respond to nourishment. It is designed to recover. It is designed to come back the moment you give it the right support. Foods that relax blood vessels, reduce oxidative stress, and stabilize hormones, it responds. Not at 40, not at 50, not at 60. At any age, even at 80, your body is still listening. The question is, what are you telling it? When you put the right natural ingredient into your coffee, you're telling your body, I am not done. I am not slowing. I am not giving up on my vitality. You are sending a message through every vessel, every cell, every system. Wake up, rise up, perform, and that message creates momentum. Suddenly, you start walking more. You hydrate better, you take deeper breaths, you sleep more intentionally. One small habit becomes a catalyst for transformation because, let's be honest, a strong erection is not just a physical response. It is a reflection of your circulation, your cardiovascular health, your stress levels, your mood, your self-image. When you support those systems, you support your manhood. And when you support your manhood, you support your confidence. And confidence is ageless, so tomorrow morning when you stand in front of that coffee cup, don't see a routine, see an opportunity, see a ritual, see a moment where you choose vitality over limitation, possibility over fear, strength over decline. Stir something natural into that cup, something that supports your blood flow and energizes your body, and watch how your life begins to shift one sip at a time. You are not defined by your age, you are defined by your choices. And today, you have the power to choose strength again. You have the power to choose energy again. You have the power to choose yourself again. So go ahead, take that first sip, feel that fire return, and remember, your body still knows how to rise. It's simply waiting for you to give it permission. If you want, I can also expand this into keynotes, long form sections, a conclusion, titles, descriptions, or a full YouTube script. When we talk about adding a single natural ingredient to your morning coffee and seeing improvements in energy, circulation, and erectile strength, even in your 60s, 70s, or 80s, what we are really talking about is the precise way certain compounds influence vascular function, hormone balance, and metabolic resilience. This is not superstition, not hype, and not a miracle cure. It is physiology. It is the predictable response of the human body to bioactive nutrients that support nitric oxide production, reduce inflammation, and stabilize stress hormones. And these nutrients often come from simple, ordinary ingredients like cacao, cinnamon, ginger, or maca that people have used for centuries for endurance, vitality, and reproductive health. Understanding how this works begins with blood flow. Erections are fundamentally a vascular event, dependent on how well your arteries dilate, how responsive your endothelial cells are, and how effectively your body produces nitric oxide, the molecule that tells blood vessels to relax and widen. Many men don't realize that decline in erectile strength often starts not with testosterone problems, but with endothelial fatigue. Stress, poor diet, lack of movement, inflammation, and aging all weaken the lining of your blood vessels. But certain natural compounds can gently nudge that system back toward flexibility and responsiveness. Take cacao, for example. Rich in flavonols, it supports nitric oxide synthesis and helps blood vessels become more elastic. This means better circulation everywhere. When added to your coffee, cacao doesn't just enhance flavor, it signals your cardiovascular system to function with more fluidity. This contributes to more consistent blood flow to the organs that rely on strong vascular performance, including the male reproductive system. Cinnamon plays a different but equally important role. Its active components help stabilize blood sugar, reduce systemic inflammation, and support metabolic efficiency. Many men underestimate how much blood sugar instability and chronic inflammation sabotage erectile strength by constricting vessels and provoking oxidative stress. A small amount of cinnamon in your coffee, taken consistently, acts almost like a metabolic tune-up, supporting healthier circulation by reducing the internal noise that disrupts hormonal and vascular function. Then there's ginger. Potent, warming, and circulation. Enhancing, ginger has been used across cultures to promote vitality, digestion, and blood flow. Its gingerol compounds promote vasodilation and relaxation of smooth muscle, mechanisms directly tied to sexual performance. When ginger is combined with caffeine, the synergy amplifies alertness and circulation while reducing inflammatory markers that accumulate with age. And of course, maca, a root celebrated for its adaptogenic properties. Instead of directly altering hormones, maca supports the hypothalamic, pituitary axis, the body's command center for hormonal rhythm. When this axis is balanced, energy, drive, libido, and endurance improve. Maca also contains plant sterols, amino acids, and minerals that nourish cellular metabolism. So when you put a teaspoon of maca in your morning coffee, you are supporting the deeper hormonal architecture that influences male vitality without overstimulating or forcing artificial changes. What makes these ingredients especially powerful is not that they act like drugs or quick fixes. Instead, they subtly assist the body in doing what it already knows how to do. Relax blood vessels, circulate oxygen, produce energy, and maintain hormonal rhythm. They work in concert with your biology, not against it. None of these ingredients are meant to cure erectile issues overnight. Instead, they serve as daily micro-interventions, small, strategic upgrades that gradually strengthen your circulatory and metabolic systems. Over time, these improvements translate into better vascular responsiveness, improved stamina, and a sense of vitality that many men assume disappears with age. This is why the idea of adding a natural compound to your coffee resonates so strongly. It's practical, it's sustainable, and it leverages something you already do every morning. By placing the right ingredient into a ritual you never skip, you create consistency. The single most powerful factor in long-term physiological change. When we talk about erectile strength returning at any age, even at 70 or 80, we are fundamentally talking about the interconnectedness of several physiological systems, cardiovascular health, metabolic balance, hormone regulation, stress response, and neural signaling. Erections do not rely on a single organ or a single hormone. They are a whole body indicator of vitality, reflecting how well blood is circulating, how efficiently your nervous system communicates, and how balanced your hormones remain as you age. This is why small daily habits can create surprisingly profound changes. They influence multiple internal systems at once. The biggest misconception men carry, especially those past 60, is the belief that diminished performance is automatic and irreversible. Many think that aging alone is the enemy, but in reality, the primary drivers of declining erectile strength are lifestyle-related: chronic stress, poor sleep, impaired circulation, insulin resistance, inflammation, and reduced nitric oxide production. Age only magnifies these patterns. It doesn't cause them by itself. When you improve these underlying systems, performance often improves alongside them because you're restoring the physiological foundation that erections depend on. Circulation is the first pillar. Erections require robust blood flow directed into the penile tissue, regulated by the endothelium, the thin lining inside all your blood vessels. As men age, the endothelium becomes less responsive due to oxidative stress, sedentary habits, and nutritional deficiencies. But research continues to show that the endothelium remains trainable, even in older adults. When you introduce daily habits that enhance vascular function, such as consuming natural nitric oxide, supporting foods, walking regularly, staying hydrated, and regulating blood sugar, you actively improve the body's ability to deliver blood where it needs to go. That means better firmness, better duration, and better responsiveness. The second pillar is metabolic health. Blood sugar swings, insulin resistance, and low cellular energy dramatically reduce erectile function because they damage nerves, restrict blood vessels, and disrupt hormone signaling. The good news is that metabolism responds rapidly to small, consistent changes. Something as simple as adding circulation, friendly spices to your morning coffee, eating more whole foods, reducing ultra-processed sugar, or practicing 5 minutes of deep breathing can recalibrate your metabolic state in a matter of weeks. When your metabolism stabilizes, your energy increases, inflammation decreases, and blood vessels regain flexibility, all of which directly support erectile performance. The third pillar is hormones, but not in the way most men assume. Many think testosterone is the only hormone that matters, but in truth, erectile strength depends on the coordinated interaction of nitric oxide, cortisol, adrenaline, dopamine, and even insulin. Stress hormones, especially cortisol, are one of the most damaging forces to male performance. Chronic stress restricts blood flow, reduces libido, and delays the signaling required for natural arousal. When you incorporate simple rituals into your morning routine, like adding energy, supportive ingredients to your coffee, you are indirectly influencing stress regulation. Certain natural compounds help modulate adrenal activity and stabilize mood. When your stress response becomes more balanced, your reproductive system becomes more responsive. The fourth pillar is neural signaling. Erections begin in the brain long before they manifest in the body. When you feel alert, confident, and energized, your nervous system communicates more efficiently with the blood vessels and tissues responsible for erections. Morning habits that boost alertness, circulation, and metabolic clarity amplify this neural connection. They create an internal environment in which the body feels safe, supported, and ready, not stressed, inflamed, or depleted. Finally, the fifth pillar is psychological confidence. Erections are deeply influenced by self-perception. When a man feels strong, capable, and in control of his health, his performance naturally improves. The act of adding something intentional to your coffee every morning may seem small, but it symbolizes commitment. It symbolizes self-care. It reminds you daily that you are not passive in your aging process. You are actively directing it. This is why even older men in their late 70s or early 80s can experience dramatic improvements because the body never loses its capacity to respond. The vascular system can regenerate. The nervous system can reawaken. Hormones can rebalance. The mind can rebuild confidence, but it doesn't happen through drastic changes. It happens through steady daily support. Your body is adaptable. Your physiology is resilient, and your potential for vitality is much greater than you think. One intentional habit, practiced daily, becomes a message to your entire system. I am choosing strength. I am choosing energy. I am choosing to stay alive in every sense of the word. And the body listens no matter how old you are. At the end of the day, the message is simple but transformative. Your body is not done with you just because you've reached 60, 70, or even 80. Vitality does not expire. Strength does not evaporate. Desire does not disappear. What changes is how intentionally you support the systems that create those experiences. And the smallest daily ritual, like adding the right natural ingredient to your morning coffee, can become the spark that reignites everything you thought was fading. You are not powerless in the face of aging. You are not a passenger watching your energy, circulation, or manhood slowly decline. You are the driver. You have control. Every choice you make, how you move, how you breathe, what you consume, how you start your morning, sends a signal to your heart, your blood vessels, your metabolism, your hormones, and your mind, and those signals accumulate. They shape your performance, your stamina, your confidence, and your presence. So let this be the moment you decide that declining performance is not your story. Let this be the day you reclaim your physiology. Let this be the morning you stop accepting limits and start creating momentum. Stir something powerful into that coffee. Something that supports your circulation, stabilizes your metabolism, and sharpens your drive, because you are worth the effort. Your health deserves attention, your confidence deserves investment, your vitality deserves to return, and it will, because the body responds to care at any age, it responds to nourishment at any age. It responds to intention at any age. When you support it consistently, it rises consistently. You are capable, you are resilient, and you are absolutely not finished yet.